favorite color. Ooh, this is really nice. So I got the glossy black, since black is also, like I said, my favorite color. You get the manual, which, yes, it is thick. Not as thick as Nintendo's one. Screen cleaner, microfiber. That's really nice thing to have. The 3-cell battery. I'm gonna upgrade to 6-cell. AC adapter. And that's all that comes in the box. I mean, they're not that perfect. What you think? Keyboard, but yeah, I'm not gonna get into this right now. Or even at the end of this. And the battery, which is actually pretty small, and for 3 hours, compared to the Gateway laptop which I had. It's downstairs. This thing is really small, so the thing sticks in right here, and you could pop open this to exchange the RAM, upgrade it to from 1 gigabyte to 2 gigabyte, which that's what I'm going to do later on. Yeah, the computer turns on. Give it a full battery.